Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is now 12:54 a.m. and I'm shooting this video right now because I know if I don't do it now I might not do it later. And also please excuse how horrible I look. I promise this is gonna change. This is the whole video for today. Me giving myself a glow up that I wasn't blessed with. At least to me, I literally look exactly like how I used to look like back when I was in school, except for the colored hair and the contact lenses. I pretty much look exactly the same like how I used to look in school. I did not get a glow up. I wasn't blessed with a glow up. I don't know, the universe and God maybe just forgot about me. Today I am going to give myself a glow up, a temporary glow up that I wasn't blessed with. Let's straight away get into the video. I am going to be doing this as fast as possible because this is pretty much my, my basic go-to makeup look that I usually do if I have to go somewhere where I'm dressed up nicely and I really don't have the mood to like put in a lot of effort, but I still want to look good. So this is that look, my go-to look. There won't be a lot of colors. There might just be some basic colors that I'm pretty sure all of you have it at home. So if you guys want to do this, I don't know, you guys might be able to do it if there's any of you guys who wants to do this. I don't know guys, I don't know why. For some reason I'm feeling extremely nervous, but let's go! Let me switch on the fan. I have a fan here since I sweat a lot in my previous makeup videos. Like as if I have like hundreds of it. If you guys watch my few other makeup video, I tend to sweat a lot while me doing my makeup because I have like a huge light here. So I got a fan, which I really hope the noise won't get into the camera. Let's just cover my hair. I already have moisturizer on and I already have my contact lens in, and I'm just gonna go straight into priming. Ta-da! For primer, I will be using my favorite primer, which is the Model's Own face base, because this thing just smooths the face. It has like a blurring effect, I think. And also, the look that I'm creating now is actually a look that I had done in my Play Up X Rimmel competition video that I have like down in my like 2 videos back. So I might be using a lot of Rimmel stuff today. Just to let you guys know, you could use any primer that you have. My makeup routine is very rookie-ish, it's very noob-ish. I'm not a pro, I'm not really good with my makeup, so I just do whatever I get to do from whatever that's in front of me right now. So you could do that too. You could just use whatever you have. If you don't have a primer, just skip it. But without a primer, your makeup is not going to last long and it's not going to look so pretty, I think. Next would be color correcting. I always use this for my color correcting. It's the Intuit color stick back in tomato. Just to let you know, if you have perfect skin without any hyperpigmentation, you don't really have to do this. This is only for people like me who don't have uneven skin tone. Like you see, I have like dark spots here and there, dark patches. So yeah, red cancels out darkness, so you need color correct. If let's say you have a lot of redness, you need to be using green in order for you to cancel out the redness. I'm just going to be using my finger. My skin hasn't been feeling so good recently. I don't know why I'm getting like a lot of tiny dots of, I don't know, pimples around my forehead and around this area. I don't know what's going on. Next would be straight away foundation. I'll be using a mixture of both of this. This is the Rimmel London Lasting Finish in the shade 400 Natural Beige, and also the Match Perfection in 504 Deep Mocha. I'm going to be mixing both of this. Usually what I do is like 1.5 pump of this one, also like barely one pump of this, and then dab it whatever I have here onto my skin. I think I'm done with the foundation. Does anybody else's nose get watery whenever they're doing their makeup, or is it just me? Let me know in the comments down below, okay? Next after this would be concealer. I kind of heard that you don't really need much of concealer So I'm not gonna do much except for the parts where I know I'm a bit dark, and also like here on my nose bit. I focus a lot here because my mouth area and my chin area is like a bit darker than other parts of my face, so I don't know why. So now what we gotta do is, I guess, set my face with a powder. Wow, we're going really fast today. So to set my face, I would be using the Intuit Color Smooth Loose Powder. My face is like in the middle of extremely oily and extremely dry, so I don't want to bake a lot, so like kind of brush it all over my face. I bought like a set of fake nails for me to use during my videos, but the thing is, it's really difficult for me to like do stuff while having long nails because I'm not really a long nail person, so please excuse how my nails look like. So now my face is already set. We're gonna go to eyebrows. This is the Rimmel London Professional Eyebrow Pencil. I don't know if you guys could see it or not, but yeah. What I like to do is just like, to be honest, I don't really know how to draw eyebrows, but I just do what it looks good on the mirror, I guess. The first what I do is I just draw here, like a shape here, and then I just draw a tail to make the end sharp. Okay, and then I draw like up here as well, and just like connect it back to the tail, and then I try to make the behind part darker, but this is not done yet. Wait, let me draw this side. Okay, so now once I randomly draw like a shape that looks decent enough to be called a brow, I would just like brush it upwards from here, and then like this, just I don't know how to explain this, okay? I'm not a beauty guru. Okay, so now that looks somewhat like a proper decent brow, right? Eyebrow, right? So that's all you need. Now we are gonna be adding concealer on my eyelids, okay, as a base. The concealer that I use for my eyes is actually from Pallete. I don't know if you guys could see it, but and then I just use my beauty blender. Okay, now since we have that, we're gonna go straight to eyeshadow. I will be using the Rimmel's Magnif'eyes and Crimson today. To make life easy, I might be putting some tape. We are going to be using this shade right here, like all over my eyelid, okay? Just, you don't really have to be perfect with this. Just remember, we are not Nikki tutorials, so yeah. All over, just like randomly all over. If you want to bring it high up to your upper lid, just go ahead. Once we're done with like red all over it, we're going to be using a mixture of these two shades, okay? Just to be safe, I like to use my unused debit card. I just like to put it over here and just at the outer part of the eye, making the darkest brown now. As long as it looks like decent like this, should be fine. That is pretty much done for most of the part. I like to use like this color here just for the inner corner, which is gonna go missing in a few minutes. I think we could just take this one out. The reason why I hate using tape is because you see it takes off some of the makeup and makes it look weird. So it's okay, it's not a big deal. You can just run your sponge that already has makeup, just run it. In this way, if you have any fallouts from the eyeshadow, you can also like clear it out. Next is my favorite stuff. There's two things here which I use. I mean, it's almost the same color. It's actually gold. First would be the Rimmel London Wonder Swipe. So it's actually an eyeliner, or you can also like use as an eyeshadow. There's another one is Moonshot Jelly Pot, which is like this. But today, since I'm doing the Play Up X Rimmel competition look, I'm just gonna use the Rimmel one. What you do is that you just like dab, 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 and then just use your finger to like, you know, gather it around. Do you see that? I don't know if you guys could see it or not. Hopefully my camera picks it up. I don't know why, but I just love the combination of red and gold. It's just so pretty. But maroon red is not really my favorite color. My favorite color is actually purple, baby blue, and baby pink. And also I just realized how I like neon colors like this nowadays. After you do that and you have this, you take this liner thingy and you just go like from the inner corner until like half here towards the bottom. If you guys wanna like go through the inner corner as well with this, just go ahead. If you feel like that makes you happy, just go ahead and do it. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the brush, again the same brush we used for my eyes. Just take this third shade here and then like slightly under on your lower lid. Not so much, just a little bit. Okay, that's fine, I think. We're gonna be drawing some little eyeliner. Okay, there's a trick here. If you have like hooded eyes with double lids like me, where if you look straight ahead and there's like most of your makeup is gone, make sure you draw your eyeliner this way so you don't, you know, like your eyeliner doesn't go inside the crease. So what I usually do is I have a mirror which I look straight and I just draw. I'm looking straight into the mirror. Okay, I'm not like this or not like this with closed eye. Okay, so I don't really know how to like explain how I draw my liner. I just draw a line this way and then I just pull it. And then I drag it like until here. Until here. You see how it looks? Yep. That's what we want. It's okay to mess up because we're not perfect. Oh, we're gonna be going a tiny bit extra today because I'll be wearing false eyelashes just for this video, okay? But on normal days, I don't. Unless if it's like a really grand event like a wedding or something, or to look a bit fancy, I would wear it. But most of the time, if I just want to go to like a mall with my friends or whatever, I don't really wear falsies. I don't even know if the video is focused or not, but yes. I'm gonna use a kajal for my lower lashes. This is like a ear pick, but I'm just gonna use it to like use kajal on my upper water lid. Okay, that's all. That's all. I'm just gonna use a mascara, the Maybelline Hyper Curl Volume Express. You could use any lashes. I'm just using this because I have this. Plus, I'm only using it now. Okay, the eyelashes are on. Since the eyelash is on, next we'll be contouring. Like I said, I didn't want to use a lot of products today, so we're just gonna be mixing two of these shades for our contour. Okay, do you see how I have like this round thingy on my cheek? Yeah, I tend to like go here in this line. And then over my forehead. See? This round thingy and then this line. Okay, here too, and then here too on the temples. Like my face looks like, but not really. We're gonna be like taking this one, this shade over here, and just look straight and then just draw straight. Do you see how it's like already giving a line? Okay, and then do the same thing here too. And then just brush to the side. And then I tend to like bring it up here too. I don't know why I do it, but I just do it. Once you're done with this, just try to clean up the middle part with just your finger. This is where you need highlight. I like to use this one here as a highlight shade. We're gonna use this here in our brow bone. And then like just here. And then like just here, the tip of your nose. Now for blush. You see this 3 shade here? 1, 2, 3. We're gonna mix all 3 of it, and then we're gonna be adding here a high point. Feel like you've gone overboard with your blush, just run through with the powder brush that we used earlier. It's gonna go missing anyway. So for lips, whatever I put on my lips tend to go missing fast. I hate doing much on my lips because it's gonna go way fast. So for this particular look, what I usually do is, first of all, will be some of this vanilla cool tint that I'm running out. So I just go all over my lips. And then I use this Moonshot cream paint in the color Bone Mars, I think. What I do is I just use my finger and just dab. That's all. Simple as that. Now is the best part of all, highlighter. I have this favorite thing that my friend gifted to me. It is Fenty Beauty. This is a bit extreme high end, but I just have this. This is the only most expensive stuff I have, so I'm just gonna use this. Whenever I have the opportunity to use this, I just use it. We're just gonna be using some random brush, a bit, not too much, like, and then like, whoa! Do you see that? I'll just give you life, okay? And then just a little bit on the finger and then here on the top part. And also, that's it. Again, too much highlighter could never go wrong, okay? Okay, I think I'm just gonna go and do my hair and then come back and we're gonna set this face with a setting spray, okay? 1, 2, 3. So this is the finished look. Hope you guys like it. I know the eyelash is a bit extra, but like I said, it's just an extra touch. If you don't want to wear the eyelash, it's fine. I just felt a bit extra today, so yeah. So as you can see, let me get my face out. let me get my hair out. Okay, this is how the skin looks like. I kind of feel like this eyelash is gonna pop out any minute, so yeah. I don't know guys, something with red and gold is just fancy. I don't really have my normal bangs. I mean, I'm just doing this hair because I was just like inspired to do this look, mainly because of the Play Up X Rimmel video I did. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below, how do you guys, what do you guys think of this makeup? Subscribe to my channel, leave a like, leave a comment, talk to me guys. I feel really lonely in the comment section because I don't really receive much comments on my videos, so please comment down below, interact with me, let's all be friends, okay? Support me you guys, subscribe, like, comment, and let me know if you guys have any other idea, if you guys want me to do some other look or whatsoever, just let me know down in the comment section below. So yeah, see ya.